What are you doing, Chase? Don't worry. Don't worry. Your head, your face is obscured by the roof.
I figured by the roof.
So what are you doing?
Cleaning the windshield.
Oh, are you?
Supposed to be doing the proper intro here.
This is the proper intro. Where are we at? Somebody, does anybody want to tell us where we're at?
No, we're at Tennessee.
In Tennessee? Yeah. We're not at Tackett Creek. We're not at Windrock. So that leaves. Where's that leave, Tate? Brimstone.
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 Or,
where we gonna ride today,
Tate? Windrock. Definitely Windrock.
Windrock. That's funny. No beat downs. There'll be hopefully no beat downs today. We're just gonna do Brimstone today. So anyway, yeah, we're at Brimstone. We're staying at an Airbnb.
Log cabin. Pretty nice.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice little cabin. Got the General. Got the Gentral up here. The Dollar Gentral. Got the Blue Donkey up here. And over there somewhere behind that truck is the big Black Pearl 4-door General XP. Rocking along travel over there. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna ride over to Brimstone that way. Not that you can tell where that's at. But anyway, we're gonna hit some blues and some greens, maybe some blacks and reds. We're gonna try to get through one day without tearing nothing up, and then we'll hit some harder stuff on day 2.
You want to say that you're
so yes, oh yes, I am definitely rocking the new Kimimoto whip lights here with built-in turn signals and also built-in brake lights. And we should have shot some video last night of us working on this machine in the dark. And these lights, when you put them in reverse, these lights come on right here and light up so much that you can see inside that toolbox in the middle of the dark. So that's really nice. And then also we are rocking the Kimimoto Bluetooth speaker bar, the Midnight Edition. So this will be its first ride with it. So stay tuned for further reviews. Hey, what you doing? Spraying down with SC1. Putting this stuff on everything. It's like Frank's Red Hot.
That's what
We put that shit on everything.
Simple as my mama said when I was very young. She told me not to worry, son, one day you'll be someone. But here I am at 21, as loaded as a stagecoach shotgun. I'm sorry, mama, please don't look at me. When I got to Oklahoma, I was 17. My papa taught me how to work, and Lord, he was mean. Working all day in that August heat, and he taught me how to fish. My uncle taught me how to drink. Well, I went to California and I had me a band, and we played in all the bars and all the southern lands. We played all night and we drank for free, all of my boys and me. Now I'm 23 and there ain't nobody who can drink it like me. Soon I'll be 24 and the Lord knows that I can't drink no more. I know I should have taken it slow. It's not the way it is.
How's it going, Wes? Ready to get your machine cold?
Yeah, not this year. So we just came in from right there and we're parked right here on this stone bed here. There's 5 railroad cars up there that we just walked down from. 5 that's been derailed. Tracks came with it. The timbers, railroad ties came with it. It's all sitting up in there. Only thing that's missing is the coal. And it looked like some expensive hydraulic stuff that had been stolen off some of the pumps and everything. Anyway, very well worth coming down in here because you kind of ride through these creek beds, these overflowed, some of them semi-dry river beds, and then you got the big river that we just crossed. So, really neat. So this is the derailed train up here at North Cumberland, right off the road, not far off the road, a little trail, comes through the creek. Of course, you've seen that, you'll see that in the video. This is the derailed train car. It's still sitting here on its side. There's the tracks. Oh, it looks like it's 2 cars. Well, why don't you poke it with a stick?
That's what we told Wes to do. Me and Chase will stay in our car.
Is this 1 car? This is 2 cars, isn't it?
3 cars.
3?
1, 2, and 3.
Wow.
I don't think there's anybody using it.
Yeah, there's a hornet's nest right there.
I don't think they're in it.
Right above your head.
Oh, I see it.
I don't think they're in it. The bottom's out of it.
Out of what, the hornet's nest?
That's cool.
Somebody hit it with a rock.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is cool.
No, there's another one behind this one.
You're laying in there.
No, down here. Oh, heck, there's another one. Yeah, 4 of them. Wow. So that's how long it's been here. Look at the size of that. Looks like a sweet gum tree right there. It looks like a sweet gum tree.
Oh, God, there, yeah. Well, it grew around that little turny thing.
Wow, that's how big that is. So there's the 4th car. But these are all sitting on their wheels. So there's 5? Oh yeah, there is. There's another way up yonder, up against that big tree.
That one looks
Wow.
still intact almost all the way.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Oh, man, they had to rail around a while. Yeah. Trees growing up.
Yep. How in the world did...
What?
How did it derail from way... I mean, it's just barely a curve here. No, they was coming that direction. I bet they must have been coming that direction.
Climb up in there, Wes.
Get you out some of that black gold.
Look over there, the rail. There's a rail right there. That's supposed to be one that derailed and had to just redo it.
Yep. Oh, it's not. It's empty. You can see in the bottom of it. It's empty.
Is it? Yeah,
You can see it's open right there.
took it all out of it. Yeah. They took as much as they could.
Man, I mean, those 5 cars are worth a bunch of money.
That one, look at the just the stickers on it, make it look good new.
Why didn't they take all that out?
Because it's probably cost them more to take it out than it is what they're worth.
Wow.
They probably got as much coal as they could out of them. That's why there's holes drilled in the sides of them. Yeah, so you get them out.
Oh yeah, yeah they are. They got holes cut inside of them, so they can get it out probably. Or the ones that didn't spill.
The ones that didn't, if they spilled over, they probably wouldn't take them. But
Yeah, they took them out by hand.
there's still quite a bit of coal in here.
Well, put it in your pockets and take it back. What do you reckon it's worth? A nickel if you fill your pockets up? Maybe. It's not like gold. Huh.
I didn't work my whole life just to give it away. I didn't think I'd donate every cent that I made. I didn't want for nothing, now there's nothing to my name anymore. No, no. I used to keep my tackle in the passenger seat. I used to have a dog who only answered to me. Thought I was really something, now there's some things I can barely afford. Well, I fell for a thief, she even took my name, and damned if I'm sure. Oh yeah, it's her dog, her house, her truck in the drive. Oh yeah, it's her way, her say, her place every night. And when it comes to the bet, she gets the left and right side. 'Cause what's mine is hers, and what's hers ain't mine. She gets the closet and the kitchen and my good rocking chair. I've taken up air drying, so there's towels for her